Camping! Many things are achievable, you've just got to do them a little differently. Even if you only do it once, mate, you've done it. A legend called Tyler is coming down from Manchester. He's going to be in my video today, which is my celebratory 1,000th subscriber video. He's got a medical condition that means it's very difficult for him to get out adventuring, so we're gonna make that happen for him today on this video.
Here we go, 1,000 today.
1,000 today.
Yeah, and this is what we're doing. Go on,
we're going on a castaway, aren't we?
We're going on a castaway side.
I've been up there already, it's amazing. You're going to love it. Get in the boat, and it will float, okay? You okay? Selfie! We're doing it, we're on the sea, we're off to Wilson's Point, Castaway Island. Did you get seasick, Tyler? It's due to be a bit flatter in the morning. We'd noticed already that the sea was a bit more lumpier than we would have wanted, but Tyler styled it out, did not complain, absolutely nailed it. Even if you only do it once, mate, you've done it. You're very brave, Tyler, because it's not dangerous and it's not too lumpy, but we do get it down here where it's so flat, it's like a mirror. But it's not like that today. We landed at Wilson's Point, a spot that me and Tyler's stepdad had found a few weeks before on a little kayaking trip. It was time to set up camp, get the fire going and get settled in for the night. We were going to have a great time. We're all set. Got Tyler and Dan, Nick. Boats are going to sleep there. I'm going to sleep over there because I snore a little bit, so I've given the guys a little bit of distance. Oh, Tyler, when you're watching this back, if there's any of my adventures that you want to do, we will find a way for you to do them anytime. Tell your dad and we'll get it on. That's class. That's gonna go woomph.
Yeah, Elsa. Put it down, don't have to.
Wait.
Yeah.
That'll do it. It'll drop in a sec.
Well done,
We could chuck another one on as well. Right, there you go. Uncle Danny's eye. I had an Uncle Danny as well. I loved my Uncle Danny.
We don't like Uncle Danny. No, yeah,
Bingo.
Well done, Salah.
Right, do you want to help back? Were you sat on that stone? Were you sat on that stone the whole time? Jesus, that must have been uncomfortable. It's like a Viking burial pyre, that, isn't it? There's, for me, there's a moment in every trip that I just go, yes, this is why we came. This is that moment for me. And here we are, it's morning. That is a good sea to wake up to. See the warship in the distance? There's Dan, fast asleep still. Tyler, chilling. Are you decent, mate?
Yeah.
How did you sleep?
Great.
Great, awesome. The sea is really flat, which means we're going to have a really easy paddle back, not like yesterday. That'll be better, won't it? Oh, Nick's seen the camera on, making himself look useful now.
Yeah.
Kettle's on. Tyler's thrown. Oh, Wilson! It's been guarding the campsite till last night. Oh, it's a good job you went and got that coffee, Nick.
You got a yapping?
Yeah. Oh.
What a morning.
What have you thought of your kayak castaway adventure?
Great.
You've nailed it. Look at the sea we've got today. Yesterday, it was, yesterday's sea was twitchy bum. This is what we wanted. Crystal clear waters, that's where we're headed.
Right.
Let's rock and roll. There's the boys.
Alright, how's Tyler? You're living the dream, mate. What? Oh, what a wonderful day.
Kayak camping.
Hey!
What are you doing?
That would have been good, Si. I'd have been in. I'd have had to dive
I
in.
thought you were jumping off.
Oh. Go on, Tyler, lad. Yeah, man. Good guy. Spin your legs.
It's doable. That is the key. It is doable. Tyler, you're a legend. I hope you love this, mate.